Welcome back, guys. Day 4 out here clearing for the shop again, and it's pretty nice.
Yeah, it's like a balmy 25 degrees. It's kind of like being at the Bahamas on vacation, isn't it?
Yeah. At least I didn't have to warm the key up to get the truck unlocked this morning.
I had to blow into the lock of the Mini X and the skid steer for like 5 minutes each to get hot air in there and warm the key up. Keep sticking it in the hole and trying to turn it.
Cold is not your friend with machinery.
No, it's not.
They're sitting there running. We gotta let them warm up a while.
Yeah.
But today's another day clearing. We gotta clean up all the mess that we cut down yesterday afternoon because we have to get all that out of the way for one, but the ground's still frozen. Once the ground starts to thaw, it is a muddy, sloppy, snotty mess out here, and then we'll go back to cutting trees again. But right now, we just got to get stuff cleaned up before the ground starts to thaw.
And make another pile for tomorrow.
Yeah, and speaking of piles, let me show you this. This is about half of the debris we're going to have to cut to clear out for this shop, plus we've got the debris behind us that we cut yesterday afternoon. So when you're clearing for something, keep in mind that you've got to have somewhere to store all the debris that you're cutting. It takes a lot of space.
Yeah, and if you're wanting to burn it, it's green, it's not going to burn well.
No, it's going to be a smoldering, nasty mess.
You got to let it sit and dry out a while.
Yeah, and with the type of farming we're going to do, we're going to chip all this up. And so we're staging it so it can be chipped. And if you're going to stage it to be chipped, stack it all with the ends facing the same direction so it's easier to drag out. It's more of a hassle to chip after the fact. It'd be much easier to have a chipper on hand that we could just chip as we go.
Not
but that
practical.
it costs more money, and it's not practical for us. We've got this machinery that we need to be running nonstop. So we'll stack this up, then we'll rent a chipper or have our buddy come out and pay him to help us chip, and we'll get things chipped up then. But it's a process, and you gotta have somewhere to store it until you get to that point.
Oh yeah. It's a mess.
Yeah, it really is.
Yeah.
But let's get moving. We gotta get rolling before it thaws out.
Yeah, let's get
so
going.
hope you guys enjoy this.